Okay, this is the cycle box I got delivered. Okay. Now let's unbox it. So I have cut the two straps that was holding, cut through this sellotape, and now let's see. Okay, there it is, the cycle. I have to take it out. I have a lot of accessories as well. Okay, let's take the cycle out and then we will see. Okay, so there it is. This has come out of the package. So there it is, the red color, and I have few accessories, so let's take it out. Okay, I have unwrapped the cycle and now you can see this comes in red and black. Okay, I have got a bottle holder, and on the next side there is a pump holder, and there's the accessories. So mini pump, helmet, and I've got the bell, and there is the cyclo computer which is wired, and which is they have already put and wired it for me. And this is the Shimano gear system. That's it. A few more things in this box. This is the assembly and owner's manual. Few two pedals, left and right, three instrument, what do you call these things, and a lock. Okay, so the cycle is all set. It is looking pink on the camera, but it's red, actually red, just like my bike. Right there is black and red and black. My cycle is red and black. I just gotta come back and have to cover it. That's it.